Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin impact and not launching problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just right click here, go to task manager, close all the applications that you don't need uh, like Google Chrome, and that's it. Right click on it and click in task, and after that just right click on your PC, go to NVIDIA control panel. Now just wait, and here click use my preference, move it to performance. Now click apply and then close it, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.